Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing these cute Pusheen cherries. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the right cherry. We'll start with a curve out to the left, and then curve it in at the bottom. Then from the top, let's draw another curve over to the right, and curve it in as well. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now let's move over to the left and let's draw the other cherry slightly behind this one. Near the top, let's draw a curve over to the right, and then a curve out to the left, and all the way back in. Now that we have the shape of both cherries, now let's move on top and let's draw the stem. Let's start on top of the left cherry and let's draw a curve up, and then curve it down to the other one. Now next to each of these lines, let's draw another curved angle up, bringing it up slightly higher. Next at the top, let's draw a line out on both sides. Then let's curve it up. And then another line at the top. And that's it for the stem. Now let's move inside and let's draw the faces. Let's start inside the left cherry and let's draw two curves up and back down for the ears. And the same thing inside the right one. Next, in the middle between the ears, let's draw a curved rectangle shape. And then one more next to it on the left. And on the right. Next, let's hop down and let's draw two curves going out for the mouth. And the same on the right. Now for the left cherry, let's draw two angled lines for the eyes. And then for the right one, two circles. And then color both of the circles in black. Next, inside the left cherry, on the left, let's draw two curves for the whiskers. And now let's do the same thing inside the other cherry, but on both cheeks. Lastly, on the cheeks, let's draw another circle. And that's it for these Pusheen cherries. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!